gosh, how does he survive? Well, elephant stomps, big and strong, swings his trunk all day long. He splashes water, makes a spray. Oops, he got me, run away. Lion roars, loud and deep. After lunch he falls asleep. Snore, snore, what a sound. Shh, let's tiptoe on the ground. Giraffe is tall, oh so high, reaching leaves up in the sky. She bends down, says hello, then wobbles left, then right, oh no. Panda rolls, panda munch, eating bamboo for his lunch. Tumbles here, tumbles there, gets stuck but doesn't care. Hippo floats in the pool, splashing water, oh so cool. He wiggles, he wobbles, then sinks down, pops back up with a funny frown. Rhino runs, rhino kicks, watch out now, he plays tricks. Rollin', tumbling in the dirt, oops, he got mud on his shirt. Tiger creeps, tiger hides, then he pounces, watch his stride. Fast and sneaky, bold and bright, with orange fur and stripes so white. Bear wakes up